Let's just see. Woo! Oh my God, look at that. Maxine's Corner. Okay, my healthy people, I have a request to make a vegan pound cake. Being vegan doesn't mean that you have to eat a certain way, okay? You can eat everything as long as there's no animal byproducts in it. And this is what I'm going to be doing from now on this channel, to let you guys know that you should not have restrictions, okay? So I'm going to show you how to make a delicious vegan pound cake. Okay, so I'm gonna add 3 cups of flour, and I'm gonna sieve that flour. Veganism is not a diet, it's a way of living, caring for the animal and the earth as well. All right, so once I finish sieving this, that's pretty much what I'm doing. And I'm adding 1/8 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/8 teaspoon of Himalayan salt, now some baking powder, 1, 2. I will add 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder. I'm gonna mix all this together. That's pretty much it for my dry ingredients, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this to the side. I have here 1 cup of sugar, and this is organic cane sugar. I am going to add 1/2 cup of vegan butter. We'll cream that together like this. All right, my healthy people, I think we are good, so I'm just gonna scrape down the sides. And now I'm adding my vegan eggs. You can use flax eggs if you want, but this is the Follow Your Heart vegan eggs, and I am using 2 of those. Just gonna mix that together. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix that together. If you like what you see so far, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Sometimes I make plant-based, sometimes I make vegan. It's just a matter of what I'm feeling like eating. So once we've done that, I'm going to go ahead and add it to my dry ingredients. Make sure that your oven is being preheated at 350 degrees. Let's just go ahead and just mix that together. 1/2 cup of milk, and I'm using the almond milk. This is going to be absolutely delicious. Just gonna add a little bit more milk to this. I'm gonna add 1/4 more cups of milk, almond milk. Now I am going to take my handheld mixer and I'm gonna mix it all together. All right, I think we're good. Prevent sticking, go ahead and spray it with some coconut oil spray, the sides. Now I'm just gonna pour my batter in. Spread it out just like this. This is pretty much what it should look like. We're gonna put it in the oven, 350 degrees for about 35 to 45 minutes. But you gotta watch it. Everyone's oven is different. So we'll be back when it's finished. Okay, my healthy people, so it was in the oven for 40 minutes. It does look a little burnt here, but do not be alarmed. That's perfectly fine. This is what it looks like. Looks a little burnt, but it's absolutely soft. Get a nice view of that. That's what it looks like. Perfect, light, and fluffy. Look at that. Look at that. Just see. Woo! Oh my God, look at that. Maxine's Corner. This is exactly what we're looking for. Nice and moist. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this deliciousness, and I just want to keep showing you how nice and moist this is. And it's so warm right now.